his UPS guy again. He's probably like, why do I keep coming back here? It's pretty funny, to me at least. Got my package from Pink Lily. Love Pink Lily. They have really, really cute clothes. And I got speedy shipping because we are heading to Vegas in a couple of days. And I wanted to make sure I had some really cute clothes to go, so it's here. We got this.
Right here to Chesney Live. We're here to Chesney Live.
We're going to Chesney. She goes, you know it's for shit.
Oh yeah, that thing's going. Oh yeah. Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Might do it.
He's got like satisfaction.
I do destruction.
Can I go through it?
Oh my goodness.
You guys are a little nervous.
I'll hold your hand so you don't fall. Jump, 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 jump.
Oh man.
It's okay, you're not going down. See? Got my pile driver. Yeah, stick it in there and try it without getting it on me.
I want you to down and jump.
You want to do it again? All right, ready? Wait. All right, ready? Go. Jump, 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 jump.
Harder, it's going, it's going.
Look down. There it goes. Okay, hold on. Here, you hold my hand. Okay. You got me?
No, I want to do it. I want to do this.
You want to do it now? I didn't realize this is going to be work.
Do it again.
You okay? Push it out. There you go. Push hard. Hard together. Yeah!
Woohoo! What'd you
We're
say?
leaving.
What?
Bye-bye.
We're leaving. Where are we going?
Southwest.
Where are we going, Payson?
Vegas, baby. Bye-bye. Party poopers.
Kids had a blast playing here. I didn't really film much here because honestly there's really nothing to do, like absolutely nothing. I mean, if you want to get to like Civilization, you're talking
Hours.
yeah, a couple hours just even remotely get somewhere. So
Look at the smoke, how thick it got.
so the other thing that we're dealing with is wildfires here. So if you can see, it's a little hazy over that way. So that, of course, is new to us because we've never dealt with wildfires, being that we are from Pennsylvania. So I think last Leanna had checked, it was like 700 and some acres. And yesterday it started with, I believe, no, comment. She's trying to come out. You gotta go back in. I believe it started with like 330 acres. We have a long day ahead of us. I think we have about an 8-hour drive. So we're leaving, it's now 11:15.
We'll be there after dinner.
Yeah, so it'll be a long day, but well worth it because what starts, boys?
What?
Boop, boop, vacation.
Mm-hmm.
So we are Vegas bound. Whoop, whoop. Vegas,
I
baby.
need my tuxedo.
So, see us in Vegas. Guess where we are, buddy?
What?
Payson, Utah.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. How cool is that?
Of course, it's not a Liam, Utah.
Aren't you, isn't that awesome?
Yes, but it's not really.
But it's not really. the Teslas.
See a Roadster and an X.
Yeah?
Roadster XBY.
The limo? Oh, the limo back there.
That's just like,
You were a little,
we're jealous.
why are you jealous?
Jealous, or you could say surprised.
Surprised, yeah? Probably see a lot of cool cars here though.
Well, I already saw a Lambo. Anyone?
What do you think, boys?
This is
Payson gives me a thumbs up. Right, isn't that cool? I love this. Totally like freaking out, no big deal.
Daddy, look at the freaks sky.
Do you think we're inside or outside?
We're not inside, we're inside. Here's helicopter going.
This is not New York City, Payson. It's Las Vegas.
There it is! Maserati, people!
He is absolutely right.
Chevy, what's it called?
He's gonna roll right.
Dude, Chocolate World. When?
Mommy, he really wants that orange.
Whoa, look at that. It's the Statue of Liberty of all Twizzlers. Probably. It's not safe.
What's that?
It means that you're gonna eat candy. Okay, I already see what I want to go.
Oh, that hurts so bad.
Oh my God.
So cool.
I think it's pretty cool.
Do you think we could go? I don't want to be on camera.
This is pretty cool.
Oh man.
How's it going in there, Chris?
It's going great. Everybody, how's it been out there?
We are doing fantastic out here. What's on the menu for stingrays today?
Let's see, today, some of the stingrays are getting some mackerel. It looks just like this. And cow nose rays, they're getting herring. I'll show you that piece in just a second. That's going to be the southern grade right there. That's the big stingray.
That is like the biggest milkshake ever.
Oh, great.
Like, wow.
Are you supposed to lick the cup?
Oh, here comes the other one, Payson. Here comes the other one. Looks like. Wow.
Diabetes.
Look at this.
Wow. That's crazy huge.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
One more time.
Oh.
Yes.
Blow down here, blow down.
Get me in trouble.
Just lick your hands off. Still good, right? All right. You guys excited to go to San Diego?
Yeah, but we have those.
Whoop, whoop.
We got toys to see.
You got toys for Sam? No way. Bella, you thief. No.
Bella, get up.
Yeah, she'll eat that all right.
Bella.
All right, are you ready to hit the next vacation spot?
Sure.
We still got 2 more weeks of vacation.
Three.
Guys, super excited. He's like, I want to go.